Hello friends, welcome back to Java with Mukesh. Today, let's decode the magic of this keyword. In Java, this keyword refers to the current object, the one that's currently calling the method or constructor. For better understanding of this keyword, we have prepared three use cases. Let's see them one by one. Here is the first use case that this keyword resolves the variable confusion. Let's say we have a class student with variable named name, and we also have a constructor that is parameterized constructor with parameter named name. Now both have the same name. So how Java does know which one is which? That's where this keyword plays a vital role. As we discussed, this refers to the object of current class, and we know every object has its own copy of instance variable. So here this.name refers to the instance variable. So let's create the object of this constructor and see what is happening here. Here we have created the matching object of this constructor and we have passed the argument. So now what will happen? This value get assigned to this name. Now this name we are assigning to the instance variable. So let's see the result here. We can see here instance variable got initialized with name Mukesh. So without this keyword, here Java gets confused, but with this keyword, problem is solved. Let's come to the second use case. Second use case is using this we can call the constructor of same class. Here we have two constructors. First is parameterized constructor and second is no R constructor, that is default constructor. Keep in mind, if we have created a parameterized constructor, then default constructor will not get automatically created. We explicitly have to create if we want. So here using this we are calling the parameterized constructor inside no R constructor. So let's create the object of this no R constructor. Here we have created the object of no R constructor, and this no R constructor is calling the argsum constructor, that is parameterized constructor. So let's see the result here. We can see here that this instance variable got the value from this no R constructor because this constructor is calling the parameterized constructor. So calling one constructor from another constructor like this, we are calling this parameter constructor inside the no R constructors. So this is also called constructor chaining. Third use case of this keyword is this keyword can also be used to call a method from the current class. Here we have two methods, void display method and void show method, and we are calling display method inside the show method. However, Java adds this keyword automatically for the methods, but it's good to know that we can write it explicitly. So let's call the void show method and see that it is calling display method or not. Here we have created the object and call the show method. So let's run, and we can see here that we are calling only show method, but show method is internally calling the display method. So we have learned this keyword always refers to the current object of the class. It is mainly used to resolve variable confusion, calling another constructor, calling another methods. So next time when you write this keyword, remember you are just pointing to the current object. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the channel. If you enjoyed learning, please like and subscribe to Java with Mukesh.